So today I'll be showing you how to connect USB devices on your Pixel 10 or Pixel 10 Pro. Now, to connect USB devices, you're gonna need an OTG adapter. Unless of course that USB device you want to connect has a Type-C connector, then you're gonna need this OTG adapter. Now you can pick this up from anywhere. Plenty of them on Amazon. In fact, I'll link some down below. Okay, so what you need to do, once you plug this into the Type-C port of your Pixel phone, now you have the liberty to connect anything. So you can connect a card reader like this into that USB port. You can connect an external hard drive like this one into that USB port. If you have an SD card like this, you can connect it to an SD card reader like this one, like that, and then plug it into the phone via the OTG adapter. So that is how you can connect USB devices, and you can connect literally any device. So you can even connect a hard drive like this. You can connect card readers. You can connect wired microphone. So many things you can connect as long as you have an OTG adapter like this one. Now, older Pixels used to have an OTG adapter in the box, but that's no longer the case. You kind of have to get your own OTG adapter like this one. All right. Thanks for watching and good luck.